If a red crosshair or circle is stuck right in the middle of your AOC monitor, don't panic. Your screen isn't broken. This is actually a built-in gaming feature that many AOC monitors include, mainly for players who want a precise aiming point in shooters. But when you're not gaming, that bright red mark can be extremely annoying. The good news is, turning it off is very easy. First, check the physical buttons on your monitor. You'll usually find them on the bottom right edge or along the side. There's typically a power button, a main menu button, and a few arrow keys. On a lot of AOC models, the right arrow button works as a shortcut for the crosshair. Just press it once. In many cases, the red crosshair will instantly disappear. If that solves it, you're done. But if the crosshair stays on your screen, don't worry. Press the menu button to open the on-screen display. From here, look for sections called Gaming, Game Mode, Aim Point, or Gaming Crosshair. The exact name depends on your model. Once you find the crosshair option, simply switch it to Off. The red cross or circle should vanish immediately, giving you a clean, distraction-free display again. That's all it takes. Now you can quickly turn the crosshair on when you're gaming and off when you're working, watching movies, or just browsing. It's a small setting, but knowing where it is saves you a lot of frustration. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped fix your AOC monitor instantly. More simple tech fixes coming soon. See you in the next one.